Greetings, friends and fellow cigar box guitar enthusiasts. What's swinging? This here is going to be an information video concerning all things concerning the 2025 Southwest Cigar Box Guitar Festival located in San Ysidro, New Mexico. I've been doing my homework, my research. You guys would be proud of me. So the what, where, when, why, and who. Where's my reading glasses? There you are. There you are. What? The second annual Southwest Cigar Box Guitar Music Festival, a one-of-a-kind celebration of homemade instruments, raw bluesy talent, and good old-fashioned creativity. Expect live music, instrument workshops, open mics, contests, food trucks, vendors, and an unforgettable community vibe. Where? Hosted at the scenic San Ysidro Vineyard, located in San Ysidro, New Mexico. A beautiful outdoor venue nestled between mountains and mesas. Friday night kicks off with a special pre-festival concert at Los Ojos Restaurant and Saloon in Jemez Springs. There's going to be plenty of information of all of this stuff I'm talking about embedded in the video description below. When? Friday, August 22nd through Sunday, August 24th, 2025. Friday, August 22nd, gates open at 9 a.m. for vendor check-in, meet and greet. The Los Ojos kickoff concert is at 5 p.m. Saturday, August 23rd is all day. Performances, contests, giveaways, workshops, open mics, and plenty more. Sunday is an optional community church service at 10 a.m. and then a final hootenanny down at the side stage. And so that's what, when, why? Because music is better when it's homemade. And nothing is more grassroots than a cigar box guitar. The festival brings together builders, players, fans, and newcomers to celebrate creativity, craftsmanship, and connection. It's free to attend. Actually, it's not free to attend. It's going to cost you. With affordable tickets for raffles, wine tasting, and giveaways. Actually, it's going to cost $15 for admission, and that is not because of me. I wanted it to be free. But the vineyard suggests or requires that we charge a $15 admission fee for a wristband. And the reason being is because there is going to be a wine tasting associated with that. And they just want to, they want to pay their employees. And I don't blame them. I don't fault them for that because their employees are going to be working their butts off. So that's the what, where, when, why, and who. Hosted by Del Puckett. Cigar Box Guitar, with performances by talented players from all over the United States and Canada. Expect appearances from seasoned pros, enthusiastic beginners, and some of the coolest DIY musicians on the planet. All right, so that is the what, where, when, why, and who. I also want to talk about the I just want to give you with some general, a drive-by, a flyover information. So what to bring. All right, so obviously you want to probably bring some folding chairs and maybe some mosquito repellent. We are going to have vendors and food trucks, water and all of that stuff. Bring whatever instruments you want to play, by all means. Absolutely. If you're a vendor, bring your merch that you want to sell. If you want to bring your own merch setup and tent and table, whatever, you're free to bring whatever you want. If you don't have the wherewithal to bring a tent or whatever, we're going to have plenty of space in like a common community area. If you wanted to vend, we'll make it happen for you. So bring parts if you want to trade or sell them or whatever like that. And like I said, we are going to be doing giveaways. So if you want to participate in the giveaways, by all means, bring something to give away, and we'll make it fun and exciting. places to stay. Because we are kind of out in the middle of nowhere, there's not a whole lot of places to stay. So we do offer primitive camping. There's so many places. Seriously, I was out there mowing the back half of the vineyard. There's 30 acres out there of just lush green grass. So if you want to camp or bring your RV or whatever like that, there's plenty of space. And also down here by the river, there's going to be, it's a little more dirty, not dirty, but dirt-y. Not so much grass over here, but still, I mean, it's down by the river. And I have to say the river is not flowing very well. Last year it was flowing pretty good, but this year we didn't get as much precipitation, and the irrigation people are hogging all the water upstream, and so down here we get just a trickle. So it's not the glorious river that it normally is. Maybe it'll pick up by the time the festival kicks around, but right now it's kind of a little bit of a letdown. And but guys, there is this awesome lodge just up the road from where we are at here. It's called the La Cueva Lodge. And Heidi, who runs the La Cueva Lodge, said that she would give discounts to people who are attending the festival. All you have to do is say you're attending the festival, code word, Puckett cigar box guitar, or 3-string, whatever. Just tell her that you guys are part of the festival, and she'll cut you a discount. She did tell me to tell you, no pets. Like I said, all the information for the La Cueva Lodge will be embedded in the video description below. Guys, I want to encourage you because it's so beautiful up there. Oh my gosh. It is like, yikes. Gorgeous. We do have an info page on the events section of the San Ysidro Vineyards website. And again, all of this information is going to be in the video description below. So the itinerary, the rules and regulations, if you want to call that, are all going to be on the events page of the San Ysidro Vineyards website. So be sure to check that out. We are going to have a $10 raffle. So it's $10 to participate in the raffle, and we're going to be raffling off anything and everything, and it's going to be, trust me when I say this, guys, you are not going to want to miss out. So for a $10 donation into the raffle thing, man, you could walk away with literally hundreds of dollars worth of stuff. Just saying. We're going to have porta potties. We're going to have food vendors. Shout out to my boy Paul with the, and I'm going to butcher the name of it. It's the Tacos El Abuela. And man, he makes some mean food. It's gonna be so good. We also have another shout out to my buddy Jason, who has a this awesome bus, dude. This bus. When you see it, you're gonna love this thing here. But he does ice creams and coffees and stuff like that. He's agreed to participate in the festival as well. So we want to support these guys here. Another buddy of mine who makes sourdough bread and these awesome to die for cinnamon rolls. He has agreed to be a vendor at this at the festival too. So guys, I am going out of my way to make sure that we have quality vendors, quality food, yums. We're gonna have 2 stages. We're going to have a main stage at the vineyard and then a side stage down by the river. The side stage is going to be sponsored by cbgiddy.com. Dink. And I'm going to call it the Itty Bitty CB Giddy stage. I got a banner for it. In fact, the banner is in this box right here. I'll open that up here at the end of this video so you can kind of have a look-see as to the banner here. So 2 stages. And then I wanted to say this. I want to thank you guys for all the support that you guys have given. Oh, look at that. For all the support that you guys have given this channel, whether it's comments or likes or shares or subs or donations into the tip jar or whatever. I do want to encourage you guys in this one thing. So you guys know that I am an affiliate for cbgiddy.com, and every once in a while I get an email, huge commission from somebody who's made this huge exuberant purchase, and I get a commission. Guys, if you are using my affiliate link and you make a substantial purchase, which means I get a substantial commission, guys, email me and let me know. Guys, seriously, I want to know who you are. I don't have any clue on this end who's who's who. So yeah, so if you guys do that for me, that would be awesome. And I also want to give my Patreon a plug. If you're not familiar with Patreon, you can sign up. There's different tiers, different levels. There's the free level, then there's the $5 level and the $10 level. So basically what that is just a way for you guys to monetarily support this channel. And guys, seriously, I love the fact that you guys support even on that level, dude, of being committed to the point of signing up for the Patreon. I've been doing my best to stay on top of that and make sure that the information there is relative, and I engage. I try to engage as much as I can with the Patreons. So yeah, so if you guys are interested at all in that, I would hugely, greatly, massively, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate that if you guys do that. So anyhow, guys, I am so looking forward to this year's festival. This year I am trying to be proactive and take initiative well before the time comes. So I don't want everybody to get their hopes up, because I don't want them to be disappointed, but I do want you guys to get your hopes up because it's going to be awesome. So take it for what it's worth. So you might want to mark this video for future, for all of the information and the details. That way you're a participant, not just a tourist. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Like I said, I'm going to unbox this CB Giddy banner here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. So my buddy Louis Lamana sent me this CB Giddy banner. Wow, bigger than I thought. Little note. Oh wow, okay. Build your own instrument kit, parts, books, cbgiddy.com. Dude, this is an awesome banner. It's even got a person on there. Okay, so this will be on display behind the CB Giddy stage. Awesome. All right, guys, I am looking forward to meeting you, shaking your hand, and throwing down some good old jams. So we will hopefully see you here at the 2025 Southwest Cigar Box Guitar Festival. Yay! All right, guys, peace out. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers. But wait, there's more. I opened the note from Louis, and Louis, this is Louis' idea. He says this. He said, let's start a thing. And dude, this is an awesome idea. Check this out here. He says, on the back of this banner, I signed and dated my festival where this banner was hung. You do the same for your festival, and we'll have Dar do the same. After her festival on September 6th, we'll give it back to Shane, and he can fill out the York dates, and we'll keep it going. I might have to then send it to Rusty Taylor for his fest later in September. I think it would be a show of respect for Ben and the folks at CB Giddy. Dude, what a great idea. Dude, this banner could go down in history, dude. Are you kidding me? I'm really looking forward to interview. Oh yes, we're going to be kicking up the interviews in the fall again, the Puckett Cigar Box Guitar Podcast. So stay tuned for that. But guys, what a great idea. Hey, everybody sign and date this thing. Sweet. Dude, this could go down in history as something awesome. All right, guys, that's it. Cheers.
A few moments later.